You buy a tiny dehumidifier, then your bathroom mirror still sweats every morning. That's the trap with small units. The size looks convenient, but the job may be too big. So we're counting down to the one I'd actually buy. Match the space first, then the drain path. Tiny tanks need attention and no pump limits placement. Let's move. Number 3. Waykar PD160B. If the ProBreeze units feel toy-like for your room, this is the step up. I'd pick it for an apartment bedroom, office, or larger living area. It uses a refrigerant design, so it's built for room-level moisture work. The useful anchor is capacity, 6.0 ppd or 2.8 lpd. That means it's playing a different game than a countertop closet unit. But the trade-off is size and setup. It's not the shelf-friendly pick, and continuous draining still depends on gravity. Because there's no pump, it won't push water up into a sink or tub. Skip it if you need the tiniest box or a display you can read from odd angles. Number 2. ProBreeze PB-02. This is the budget move, but only if your target is genuinely tiny. I'd use it for a small closet, cabinet area, or narrow shelf. It's a thermoelectric Peltier unit with no drain pump, which keeps the setup simple. That also tells you the job it wants. It's for slow, local moisture control, not rescuing a room. The trade-off is capacity, because it's even more limited than the PB-03. So the lower purchase tier comes with a narrower mission. Skip it if you're picturing a bedroom, bathroom, basement, or any modest size room. Also check availability before buying, since that can change the value fast. Number 1. ProBreeze PB-03. I'd buy it for a tight spot, not a whole room. Think closet, RV bedroom, shelf, or bedside table. Its thermoelectric Peltier design is the reason it stays compact. That fit matters when heat, power draw, and footprint bother you more than speed. Now the trade-off is obvious. Capacity is far below a full-size dehumidifier. The small tank also needs emptying, even if it may take time to fill. Because there's no drain pump, placement still has to respect the tank. Skip it if you need fast drying in a modest size room. Skip it if you want whole room capacity. For tiny spaces, it's the cleanest compromise. Here's the easy split. Choose Waykar when the space acts like a room. Choose PB-02 when price and footprint beat performance. Choose PB-03 when you want the smallest practical setup that still feels purposeful. None of these is the right answer for a damp basement. Before you buy, map the drain path and the tank routine. If water must go upward, skip these no-pump designs. If the space is a full room, don't pretend a closet unit can cover it. So Waykar is the small room step up. PB-02 is the cheap tiny space play. PB-03 is my focused pick for cramped setups. Pick the job first, then the machine. Links are in the description.